Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a heart-touching story called Through Thick and Thin. In this story, we'll learn 10 beautiful idioms that describe emotions, friendship, and love. So let's begin. Story 1. Through Thick and Thin. Last Sunday, I was on cloud nine because my best friend Emily finally got engaged. We had been friends through thick and thin, and seeing her glowing with happiness made me feel truly proud of her. At the engagement party, I met a guy named Ethan. He was charming, funny, and surprisingly easy to talk to. We instantly hit it off, chatting about music, books, and travel as if we'd known each other for years. Emily smiled and whispered that I looked head over heels already, but I just rolled my eyes and laughed. Later that night, Emily and I sat on the balcony having a quiet heart-to-heart. She confessed that before her engagement, she had gotten cold feet and almost backed out. But then she realized that love isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing someone again and again. Her words touched me deeply. A few days later, Ethan and I had a misunderstanding. Something he said really got under my skin and I felt hurt. I wanted to ignore him, but Emily reminded me that sometimes it's better to bury the hatchet than to hold on to small mistakes. So I called Ethan and asked to meet. When we talked, I decided to wear my heart on my sleeve and tell him honestly how I felt. He listened carefully and apologized sincerely. That moment showed me he could be my shoulder to cry on, someone I could trust when life got tough. Now we're still together, learning to understand each other better and standing side by side through thick and thin. Now, explore the meaning of each idiom and check two examples for each one. 1. On cloud nine, extremely happy. Example 1. I was on cloud nine when I got my first job. Example 2, she was on cloud nine after hearing the good news. 2, wear your heart on your sleeve. Show your emotions openly. Example 1, I always wear my heart on my sleeve so people know when I'm upset. Example 2, he wears his heart on his sleeve and never hides his feelings. 3, a shoulder to cry on. Someone who offers comfort and support. Example 1. After her breakup, her sister was her shoulder to cry on. Example 2. Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on during tough times. 4. Bury the hatchet to end a fight or argument and make peace. Example 1. After years of rivalry, the two brothers finally buried the hatchet. Example 2. Let's bury the hatchet and start fresh. 5. Hit it off to get along well immediately. Example 1. We hit it off the moment we met. Example 2. They hit it off at the conference and became close friends. 6. Cold feet. Feeling nervous before a big event. Example 1. He got cold feet before his wedding. Example 2. I had cold feet before my first public speech. 7. Head over heels, deeply in love. Example 1. She fell head over heels for him. Example 2. I'm head over heels about this new relationship. 8. Through thick and thin, in good times and bad times. Example 1. True friends stay together through thick and thin. Example 2. They supported each other through thick and thin. 9. Get under someone's skin to annoy or bother someone deeply. Example 1. His rude comments really got under my skin. Example 2. Don't let small things get under your skin. 10. Have a heart to have an honest and emotional conversation. Example 1. We had a heart-to-heart about our relationship. Example 2. Sometimes a heart-to-heart can solve many problems. So friends, did you enjoy the story? Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories with idioms and phrases. See you next time. Bye bye.